So set double press S Pen button for our emoji switch cameras in Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Open settings, swipe the notification panel, and then tap settings icons. Scroll down settings screen, find advanced features, and then tap advanced features. Select S Pen, and then tap Air Actions. Scroll down the screen, tap R emoji, and then tap double press menu. Select switch cameras. Now double press S Pen button for our emoji set as switch cameras. You use open camera and then tap more, tap R zone, and then select our emoji camera. So switch camera, press and double press your S Pen button. Double press to switch cameras. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.